Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up LinkedIn polls to validate your career direction. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your home feed. Locate the Start a Post box at the top of your feed. Click on this box to open the posting options. You will see several icons for different post types. Find and click on the poll option. In the poll dialog that appears, enter your question in the provided field. Consider making your question specific to your career direction. Next, add at least 2 response options. Ensure these options reflect different career paths or topics you are considering. You can add up to 4 response options. After entering your options, set the duration for how long you want the poll to run. You can select from 1 day to 2 weeks. Once you've configured your poll, consider adding a brief description. This description can provide context or encourage more engagement. Now, review your poll to ensure everything looks correct. If satisfied, click the Post button to share your poll with your network. After posting, monitor the responses as they come in. Engage with comments or inquiries to gather more insights. Once the poll concludes, analyze the results carefully. Use the feedback to help guide your career decisions moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.